See here students, now you people have to learn about the types of optical fiber. See first one, that is step index single mode fiber. Just go through the diagram here. Geometrical diagram it is given and refractive index profile it is shown. So just see the diagram here, and also how the ray propagation takes place also it is shown here. So first one, see, that is the single mode fiber has a core material that is of uniform refractive index value. Similarly, cladding also has a material of uniform refractive index but of it is a lesser value. This results in sudden increase of value of the refractive index, that is from cladding to core here. Thus the refractive index profile takes here the shape of step here, and the diameter value of the core it is about considered as 8 to 10 micrometer, and external diameter of the cladding is about 60 to 70 micrometer here. Because of its narrow core, it can guide just a single mode, so hence it is called as here single mode fiber. Now see what are the advantages here. These are extensively used in the optical fibers, and see here these need here lasers as a source of light. So through these see, these are very expensive, but it is very difficult to join the strands of one optical fiber to strands of the another optical fiber. So that is joining of that fiber it is called as here splicing. So that splicing is little bit here difficult, and they find here particular application in a submarine cable system. So next one, that is just go through the diagram. Next type, that is step index multimode fiber here. So diagram it is given here, that is geometrical diagram, refractive index profile and ray propagation it is shown here. So multimode step index optical fiber is made up of thick core of that is about 50 to 200 micrometer, that is diameter, and thin cladding that is 100 to 250 micrometer diameter. Both core and cladding have here different refractive indices. Because of larger diameter here, it is able to support the propagation of more number, that is large number of modes here. Refractive index profile is similar to that of here single mode fiber, but with see larger refractive index value here. That is see larger refractive index, that is from plane region for the core here. And see it can see loss in the signal, that is if you are comparing input and output pulse here, that is loss in the signal strength, that is signal strength it is very high, and output pulse it is widened, and it is not see same as that of your input pulse. So it is advantages. See here splicing is relatively here easier, but see it is a